Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Goa police lags about terror threat. CM senior police officers downplay threat. Crucial installations still unprotected. Mining truck operators issue to be resolved in a week. Cabinet approves 79 lady PSI, 221 lady constables, 233 meter readers post. It is not possible to amend the constitution to grant the special status to Goa, states retired Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, Ferdin Rebello. Louisiana to review Congress Disciplinary Action Committee report. Block level committees will not be dissolved. Enforcement Directorate issues summons to 16 companies with regard to illegal mining case. Hearing before Enforcement Director will start from the 1st of November. And GCA's floodlights deal with Kapil Dev's company comes under investigation. President, Secretary and some staff not cooperating, say investigators. Now the news in detail. Recent statement of Director General of National Security Guards and letter written by Consulate of France have clearly indicated that Goa is on target of terror outfits. But Goa government and Goa police are downplaying the threats. Senior officers of Goa police say that they have not received any specific official terror alert either from NSG or from any other central agencies. Goa police is also taking statement of DG of NSG as a passing remark.
No senior officer of Goa police is accepting that they have received any request to provide round-the-clock security cover to Altin-based Alliance Franchise office. On Friday afternoon, we visited Altin-based Alliance Franchise. We saw that there was no security arrangement at all. We asked the office in charge about the letter written by Consulate of France to Goa government mentioning threat by terror organization ISIS. But she said that this office has not received any official wire from the embassy. She also said that they have also not consulted by Goa government or Goa police on security issue in recent times. One senior officer of Goa police told Prudent that media has created this hype regarding terror threat after statement of DG of NSG J.N. Chaudhary. Goa police holds statement of DG of NSG as just a passing remark. Another senior officer of Goa police clarified that NSG never issues terror alert to state agencies. It is IB who keeps issuing advisory to the state police. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar also says that statement of DG of NSG was not a specific remark.
I don't think we have not received any alert. That is a comment of NSG DG as a offhand comment, not as a specific. No, it is not a specific. I checked up. After I met you, I checked up again. It was not a specific. He said that this kind of activities are being carried out and such areas can always be under a threat.
We also visited Anjuna-based Chabad House, which runs in a rented house. But Chabad House was not functioning these days. Caretaker of Chabad House told to Prudent that we informed the local police about the date and timing of the prayer in advance and they get deployment of cops during these times. Member of Parliament Shantaram Naik has demanded to amend and make FEMA Act more strict to counter terror threat to Goa.
ISI threat appears to be something of real nature, respect to properties being purchased by foreigners in our state, maybe as individuals by completing FEMA formalities or by companies with the formation of necessary requirement. So, under Foreign Exchange Management Act, which entitles foreigners to purchase properties in certain situations, they have to be watched.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Mining truck operators or transportation issue vis-a-vis transportation rates will be resolved in 7 days. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar briefed media after a cabinet meeting on Friday. Cabinet has also approved 79 lady PSI, 221 lady police constables post and 233 temporary meter reader post. Parrikar also said that long pending cabinet ministers' performance review will begin in November and will take couple of months.
Minimum rates for truck, maybe that is based on what I discussed with the truck owners, but then there is difference in views, so I will have to call a proper meeting and do it. Barjiच्या अंदरबानूय rate येतले, and we will also determine the methodology of employing or using a truck. The cabinet approved to appoint Rural Electricity Corporation. Rural Electricity Corporation म्हणून Government of India ची जी पळय कंपनी आता ही subsidiary 100% owned subsidiary nominated by government to carry out म्हणजे complete computerization and networking of the electricity department, complete consumer data bank including call center of difficulties, billing, everything comes under that. Coal and coke cess has been all made uniform to rupees 50 for Goa as well as outside. मधल्या वर्सांनी गोंया भायर वचणाऱ्या कोळशाक 250 रुपया सेस लायलो. गोंयच्या कोळशाक म्हणजे गोंयान हाडलेल्या कोळशाक 50 आशिल्लो. ताचो परिणाम असो जालो की गोंयान तो पळय रेल्वेंच्यान कोळसो वतालो पळय तो येवपाचोच बंद जालो कारण परवडना जालें. आतां 50 रुपया केला. वी एक्सपेक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दीस एंड ग्रीन सेस वी एक्सपेक्ट इन अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स एन्युअल अबाउट 100 crores एज अ सेस.
It is not possible to amend the constitution to grant special status to Goa. Retired Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, Ferdin Rebello, opined that state government can protect the state land by amending the state laws. He said most of the land laws in the state are being violated. Justice Rebello was speaking at the seminar on desirability of special status to the state of Goa. The activists demanding special status to Goa are upset with the statement of Rebello.
Goa Legislators Forum had organized a seminar on desirability of special status to the state of Goa to discuss the grant of special status to Goa under Article 37I. Retired Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court said that it is not possible to grant special status to Goa under Article 371I. He said Goa can make or amend the state law and protect its land.
Now, if Goa asks for amendment of Article 371, 44 MPs of Bihar will ask the Prime Minister, "Hamara demand ko kya ho gaya?" Everybody wants special status because everybody like you and me feel that they have been neglected. Therefore, all of them ask for special status. But it must be one, constitutionally permissible, and two, it must be something that Parliament of India feels is required. Therefore, this is all within the power of the State Assembly. And this is all within the power of the State Assembly. What are you going to tell the Prime Minister of this country?
Justice Rebello also criticized the authorities for violating the land laws in Goa. He said Goa has enough laws to protect its identity.
We say conversion of land from agriculture to non-agriculture requires the permission of the collector. We have another law whereby orchard lands tenanted could not be converted. But what is happening? It is not that there are no laws. There is a violent violation of the laws. The laws have been broken. Who are parties, I am not here to discuss. But there's a brazen defeating the law.
President of Goa's Movement for Special Status, Prajal Sakhar Dande, is upset with the opinion of retired Chief Justice.
In conclusion, it seems that he said that we don't need a special status. I was quite upset and disturbed because here we are fighting day and night to attain special status, and a statement countering that is going to be detrimental to our movement. So I cannot accept what he has said, and we strongly need special status for Goa under Article 371I of the Constitution.
Meanwhile, the state is set to form a special committee to seek legal opinion on the matter of special status.
I am appointing a committee. We let them go and work out, let them interact with people, let them hold seminar if they want. In 15-20 days, maybe 1 month maximum, they should give me suggestion what is legally possible, what can be done in which way. There will be advocates, there will be thinkers, there will be supporters. Let them go and also check legally. Then we will meet Rajnath Singh.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.